Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on a new product called Indimate. And Indimate has been invented to solve the issue of older bikes that don't have self-cancelling indicators. And what this does, it isn't a self-cancelling indicator, it's a simple module that you connect to your indicator stalks, and then via Bluetooth and an app, it will pump the sound into whatever system you're running, such as Cardo, Senna, earplugs, Bluetooth headphones, etc. So you can hear your indicators and turn them off. Now, my bike S1000R, so it does come with self-cancelling indicators, meaning I couldn't fit this to my bike. So thankfully, my friend Lee, who is lab_ZX6R on the socials, do follow him on TikTok, he has a very funny channel, has donated his bike to test and review. So let's start straight away with the installation. Very simple install instructions here. You have these connectors that go onto your indicator lines. You connect it up to your battery, hook the whole thing together, fire up the app and connect via Bluetooth. And it really is that simple. Here are the indicator cables that we found. The tool here, which is like a sort of diabetes pin prick that goes into the back and you screw in, means you don't have to cut or splice any of the wires. You see, you just put it to the back, screw in, it connects, that's it. You do this on your left and right indicator, can be front or rear, however the rear is normally easier to find. And then you hook up to the battery. And it's worth noting that when Indimate is not in use, it doesn't draw any power, so there's no concerns there. And then it's a case of just put the whole thing back together nice and neat, put your seat back on, job done. So we power up the app here. And now if you listen in, that is the sound of the indicators coming through into your ears. It's such a simple, clean device. And if you can hear here, music was playing and you can still hear the indicators coming through even with music playing. The beauty of the way Indimate has gone around handling this is it doesn't lower the volume of your music or it doesn't raise the volume of your indicators. It keeps it at a sort of constant level. It is adjustable within the app, but it is very well executed. The installation was a complete dream. The pairing to the phone, nice and simple. We've tested on an iPhone 13 as well as an iPhone 14 Pro. And no issues whatsoever there. Once you've done the first installation, it really is fire and forget. You don't need to have the app left open. You don't need to log into the app. You simply turn your bike on, connect your Bluetooth as you normally do your headphones, or if you plug your headphones into your phone or connect your Senna, whatever it is that brings audio to your ears, it automatically pairs with Indimate. And you would just hear your indicators as if you were in a car, just clicking there in the background. And what it does do is solve the issue of forgetting to turn your indicators off. So how do we get one? Well, there is a link in the description below. You just go to indimate.info and there you will find it's currently listed at £135.94. This will vary with the euro to the pound, but around £130 is the price point. If you enter the code YoDomCat, DOMCAT, you will get a 20% discount off list, bringing it more down to the £100 mark. Now, you could argue that £100 is expensive for what is in effect just something you can do with your wrist, switching off your indicators. But so many riders, especially new riders, forget to do this. It is a fail on your test, obviously, as we know, and from there becomes the paranoia and the anxiety of continuously riding with your indicators on. And so it's an issue that a lot of riders have that can easily be solved. And from the design of the product to the fluidity with the app, it's just flawless. So definitely worth the money if this is an issue for you. As always, guys, I hope that was helpful. A like and a subscribe would be excellent. And if you need any advice on the Indimate or any questions that I haven't answered here, drop it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thanks again for watching.